Hello class 4. I welcome you all here in a new session, and today our topic is simplify. In this topic we'll be learning how to solve a simplified problem which involves two or more operations. Here two or more operations could be a multiplication, an addition or a subtraction. So let us begin with the learning objective. Here the learning objectives is to simplify a problem with two or more operations occurring together. Now let us take a simplified problem and let us know the steps to work out a simplified problem. For example, this is one of the simplified problem where we can see the different operations. Operations here means either multiplication, subtraction or addition. So the three operations are involved in this particular questions. Those are multiplication, next is your subtraction, and we can see addition as well. So a simplified problem is a problem in which two or more operations are involved. In this particular question, the operations involved are addition, subtraction and multiplication. One point to remember here is if order of operation is not followed, different answers for the same simplified problem is possible. So there should be an order of operation in order to solve this simplified problem, and that order should be first multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. In this particular question, the order of operations should be multiplication, addition and subtraction. In short, MAS, where M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Now the same sum let us solve following the order of operation. This is what the order of operation: multiplication, addition and subtraction. The first order of operation is multiplication. So if you see here, we have encircled this multiplication sum to be solved first. So if we solve it, 4 5s are 20 and 3 2s are 6. So the solution of this 2 multiplication has to be written with equal to sign. The solution of 4 into 5 is 20. The solution of 3 into 2 is 6. And in between this two product there is a minus sign. So you put the minus sign, and what was left? Plus 8. So plus 8. So we have finished with multiplication. Next order of operation, if you see, is addition. So now children, can we add 6 plus 8? No, we cannot. So we must remember, always add numbers with same sign. Once again I repeat, always add numbers with same sign. So here if we see 6, it's with minus sign and 8 is with plus sign. So I cannot add minus 6 and plus 8 as they possess a different sign. So what needs to be done? We need to rearrange. Children, we need to rearrange. So we'll rearrange it. So this becomes 20 plus 8 minus 6. The first number in the problem sum is without a sign. Without a sign means it is having a plus sign. So we'll go ahead with operation addition. So 20 plus 8 is your 28. So we'll write the solution 28. What was left? Minus 6. So minus 6. The result of addition is 28 and then minus 6. Now the last operation left is your subtraction. So here if you see 28 minus 6, the solution of 28 minus 6 is 22. So this becomes 22. This is your final answer for this simplified problem. These were the steps to work out this simplified problem. Let us understand more better with one more example. So here this is one of the simplified problem where again you can say subtraction, multiplication, addition. Again subtraction, multiplication. So what should be the order in order to simplify this problem, sir? We should follow the order as mass. M multiply, A addition and S is subtraction. So first order of operation is multiply. So let us encircle 12 into 7 and 4 into 9. We'll find out the solution of this multiplication. 12 7s are 84 and 4 9s are 36. Here we will put equal to sign. We'll write 102 minus the solution of this multiplication problem was 84 plus 22 minus the solution of this multiplication was 36. So we are done with multiplication. Now comes next order, addition. But can we add here minus at 84 and plus 22? No. As I said, remember, always add numbers with same sign but retain the sign. Here we have added but retain the sign. So before we apply this, let us first of all, children, rearrange. Here in order to rearrange, we will group the positive numbers together. Positive numbers means number with the plus sign. So 102 is with plus sign, 22 is with plus sign. And here if you see 84 and 36, they are with the minus sign. So as I said, remember, always add numbers with same sign. Same sign. That means we are going to add the numbers with the same sign. So we can add 102 plus 22. We can add as well minus 84 and minus 36 as they have the same sign. So let us find out the addition sum. 102 plus 22 is 124 and 84 plus 36 is 120. But children, add numbers with same sign but retain the sign. Here I mean the solution of 102 plus 22 is 124. But what is the solution of minus 84 and minus 36? It should be minus 120. So here when we are adding two positive numbers, the answer is positive. And when we are adding two negative numbers, the answer is a negative. That is why it was said retain the sign. So now we are left with the last operation, that is subtraction. So 124 minus 120 will be getting as 4. So my final answer here is 4. So this is the answer for this particular simplified problem. One more example let us take up. If you see here, you can see again those three operations: multiplication, subtraction, addition. The order of operation should be MAS, that is multiplication, addition and then subtraction. So let us first multiply all the multiplication sums here. So if you see here, 8 into 4 32, 4 into 5 20, 7 8s are 56, 6 3s are 18 and 13 2s are 26. So here we will write the product of each multiplication sum. 32, where in the 2 was minus sign, 4 5s are 20, minus 7 8s are 56, plus 6 3s are 18, plus 13 2s are 26. We are done with the multiplication. The next order is addition. So here you can see the addition sign, minus 56 plus 18. You cannot add. So let us first of all, children, again you have to remember, always add numbers with same sign but retain the sign. So we will first of all rearrange. In order to rearrange, we will group all the plus numbers together, all the numbers with plus signs together and all the numbers with minus sign together. Now we can come with for addition. So for addition, add numbers with same sign. So we'll group them. So these are the numbers with the same sign. Yes, and after adding retain the sign. That means if I'm adding all numbers with plus sign, I will get the answer with plus sign, and if I'll add the numbers with the minus sign, I'll get the answer with the minus sign. So let us add first 32 plus 18 plus 76. Here minus 20 minus 56, we will add it. 20 plus 56 is again 76. So here we will write the solution of this 76, and we are adding the two numbers with minus sign. So the answer is with minus sign. Now the last step, last operation is your subtraction. This 76 minus 76 is your 0. So this 0 is your final answer for this simplified problem. I hope this is clear to all of you how to follow the order of operation in order to solve the simplified problem. Now based on this session, you have to solve this assignment following the order of operation. So that's all for today, children. Thank you and have